Johnny from Media here, and in this video we're going to go through one of the most powerful features of Google Analytics, which is to be able to show what users are doing when they are on your website. This is in the behaviour tab, so stay tuned. At Media, we help companies grow and thrive using the latest tools, tricks and marketing techniques. From websites to automated sales funnels, social media content and much more. We are constantly releasing new material on our YouTube channel, so make sure you like, subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss out. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments section below. Just before we get going, I want to very quickly tell you about our exclusive offer. We are giving away free access to our paid Hub platform for the first 50 people who click on the link in the description. This offer is going on all of our YouTube videos, so hurry and get your place. Within Hub we have created over 100 training videos in 13 courses, including a course on tracking and optimization within your sales funnel. You'll also find recorded webinars and a host of other free content, so remember to click on that link in the description. Let's get on with the video. Once you have an idea of who your users are and how they got to your site, you can now start to analyse what they are doing while they're navigating it. This data shows useful insights such as which pages are viewed most frequently and for how long, as well as which pages users enter and exit your site on. We have used this data to significantly change some of our sales funnels. As we have said before, once you have a larger amount of traffic, you can then segment the data to look in greater detail at different groups and how the data varies between them. Let's have a look at how it's done. So from your home screen, you're going to look at the Behaviour tab. Now the ones we're going to look at is Overview and Site Content with a brief look at Behaviour Flow. So if you'll have a look at the overview first. Once we scroll down to the bottom, it shows the number of page views that we've got in the last 2 days, I think it's 48 hours. So it's got the page and the page title. Now this just shows very briefly which one is your most popular page, and then as the list goes downwards. Now if you click on one of those, you can get a more detailed view about the stats within those. So say how many entrances there have been, how many exits there's been from this page, and exits is where they've left your site, and entrances where they've come onto your site from. Now actually, rather than going through overview, the best way is to go through this tab here, site content. So if you go to site content and all pages, so once you scroll down the bottom to all pages, this is where it lists all the pages on your website that users are interacting with. Now currently it's listing it by page views at the top. If you click any of these tabs up here, it can rearrange them in that order. So it's downwards, got unique page views, average time that they spend on the page, entrance, which means the page they first land on when they get to the site, the bounce rate, whether they're viewing just one page and going, the percentage that are exiting from that page, so how many sessions, if they land on that page, do they then leave your site straight away. So if we're looking on the left here, we then got content drill down, landing pages and exit pages. So landing pages can be very useful. Landing pages means which page they're first getting on your website, so which page they land on. So for us, for all users, you can see free online sales funnel course is at the top, and that's fine because that's the landing page we're setting up where they can sign up for our free course. And then if we look on the right hand side, we can actually change it and choose which goal we want it to convert to. So say for example, this goal here is a 25% conversion rate when it's looking at all traffic rather than just an individual campaign. Now next thing you can look at is exit pages. That means which page they leave your site from. So what's the last page they view before they exit? So again, for us, the highest one is free online sales funnel course because that's the page we're sending the most traffic to, because that's a landing page with our lead magnet on it. So we send most of our paid traffic to that page. Now if we have a look at behaviour flow, this is supposed to be a way of mapping where users go through your site. For example, we've got free online sales funnel course, then into the register for free page, then to register confirmation, and then into our online courses one, and then we can have a look further about where they go after that. So this can be a really useful tool if you're looking at how users move through your sales funnel and exactly where they go to after that. So we've used this before to say, okay, after they get to our online courses page, which courses do they then view? So this can be a useful one as well. Now looking at the rest of these, site speed can simply tell you the speed of your pages and just see if you've got any that are loading up too slowly. Site search only if you've got searches on there. Events you can set up things like whether people have downloaded documents, and we'll be looking at experiments later on in the lesson where you can compare one page against another and see which one has the highest rate of conversions or the users spend the longest amount of time on, etc.